I have been wondering. This thing has been giving me sleepless nights. Why is it that so many people from the southern east of Nigeria, they deal in fabric materials as a form of business? Until the gods revealed it to me. I got the revelation that these children are initiated from their childhood. In fact, from the infant stage. When a child begins to hiccup, and the mother gets a piece of clothing material and places it on the soft spot of the baby. So this is how you people do the initiation. And you are busy deceiving people that this is how to cure hiccup in children. My brother, my sister, hiccup in children can be as a result of swallowing of too much air by the baby. It can be as a result of eating too much food by the baby, or eating the food very fast. When this happens, it is going to make the tummy swell. And when the tummy swells, it is going to push up a muscle we call the diaphragm. It is this muscle that makes the babies to do that. This piece of clothing material that you put on this baby, it doesn't make sense. So just tell us that you initiate these children into a business of fabrics. What you are supposed to do to the baby is to carry the baby. Carry the baby in a very gentle manner. Rub the back of the baby and let the baby bubble. That thing they do. Once the baby does that, the baby will be relieved and the hiccup will stop. Even if you don't do this and you give the baby some time, that hiccup will naturally stop. Please, we want our children from the southeast to be going to school, not to engage in business of fabrics anymore. Thank you. If you like this video, I want you to subscribe. I want you to follow me for more. Thank you. I want to hear your comments too.